Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail.
I don't
want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
All right, guys. Today, Judge Fleser is dealing with a 19-year-old boy who has many assault charges. And guess what? He thought it was smart to scare the witnesses in his case while sitting in jail. That a bold but very silly move. And in Judge Fleser's courtroom, there is no patience for that. This 19-year-old is complaining that he needs his phone and has no TV, acting like a big baby. But this also shows why scaring witnesses is a serious crime. It could add even more trouble on top of the charges he already has. What do you guys think about this case? Tell me in the comments. And if you like stuff like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Come on, it's time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Fortnite? Come on, man. I'm itching to go
approach,
play.
Judge.
Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases when we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
This is just crazy to me. Not only is he scaring the witnesses in his case, but he's also saying he wants to do more crimes later. How can someone be this careless? Honestly, this guy is being so dumb. I can't wait to see how Judge Fleser reacts when the prosecutor says everything out loud. But I want to know what you think too. What should the judge do to this guy while he waits for trial? I mean, besides taking away his phone, what else could they do? Write your ideas in the comments. Let's keep going.
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use a jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just
told you.
Not even.
please stop.
So
And I just want to read.
please go ahead.
He's 19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's making additional threats allegedly, you know? Okay, we're going to get the records, but until I know that you're not a threat, I mean.
He's typing everything.
Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. Because I'm going to ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court. and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you get out.
I actually feel a little bad for the defense lawyer here. You can see she's having a hard time because she knows she can't defend him for scaring people. But she still has to say something. Her best excuse is, well, he's only 19 and needs to talk to his family. But in court, that doesn't work when he's out here threatening people, has assault charges, and is hanging with gangs. At 19, you're old enough to know better, especially about breaking the law. What do you guys think? Is her excuse good enough? Or should Judge Fleser go harder? Let's see what happens.
Well, I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness that this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, and all that stuff gets... So we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So, I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
So I did do it. That sucks, dude.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll see.
Okay, good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. You know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. You got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Stay in bed. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say anything.
he's typing everything you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand. He's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said anything about anything illegal. That's just.
So, what do you think about this case? Was Judge Fleser too soft? Or was there really nothing else to do? Sure, taking the phone away might stop him from scaring people for now. But does that fix the bigger problem? This guy doesn't seem to learn from mistakes. Watching him dig himself into a deeper hole is so frustrating. With all these charges and reckless choices, things don't look good for him. The law is serious, especially about scaring witnesses, because that can add years to his sentence. At this point, it looks like he's setting himself up for a long life in prison. Do you think he can still change, or is he already too far gone? Tell me in the comments what you think about Judge Fleser's choice. Was it fair, or would you have done something else? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I post every day, so I really appreciate you all. Take care, and see you in the next one.